This is the heart of our strategy against the pandemic, our headquarters. This is a special anti-contamination working group. It collects all the local COVID-19 information. On this screen, we see every day all the people we have contacted, he says, and if they're presenting symptoms. This public health brigade monitors the epidemic in one of the biggest neighborhoods of Berlin, identifying sick people and then figuring out who else they might have contaminated.
Given what you've said about your symptoms, I strongly recommend a test.
In keeping with the new COVID-19 law, you are required to go into quarantine for 14 days.
The investigators are on the warpath. To stop a cascade of infections, they identify, inform, and guide all those who've been in contact with a sick person. But it's not always easy to get the message out.
Most of the people we contact react pretty well given the circumstances. And there are much more difficult situations, but you need a thick skin.
This neighborhood has 160 investigators for 87,000 neighborhood residents, and their work is nowhere near finished. We want to test as widely as possible, and now we're also including not just the immediate entourage of the sick people, but also anyone they had passing contact with. We've even opened a drive-in center to deal with this. More than 1 million tests have already been performed in Germany since it all began. In greatly expanding the testing, the country could hit 1 million tests a week.